Hello everyone, my name is Scott and welcome to another review. Today we're taking a look at a banana cover. I love the name of that, boxer briefs. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up and demonstrate and see what we think of them. All right guys, so this is what they look like. They are skin tight pretty much. Plenty of room in the front. I like that they're tight enough and they hold together. They are even a little bit padded on the front as well. So there's two types of, well, it's probably more types, but for me, there's two types of boxers. There's the tight ones, and then there's the loose boxers that are just kind of, everything is loose. What's nice about the tight boxers are it compacts everything, but the front pouch on these is actually roomy. So normally with the tight boxers that you get, the tight boxers are normally really tight in certain areas. With these, it's really tight everywhere except the center, which is actually kind of nice because it doesn't feel like you're suffocating. So they're very cool. Overall, I like them. You will feel the tightness, especially like around your thighs. But again, they're stretchy and you don't have that really tightness in the area it counts. So overall, I like them. I think they're nice. And you can freely move as well.